Workshop Wednesday, everybody. Gotta always adjust the glasses, don't I? I never think y'all are crooked until I get to talking. Hope y'all doing good. We're rolling along today. I need a haircut, so don't say anything about the hair. Anyhow, my daughter's got she's got a driver's license, turned 16, my oldest, and we bought her a cool Jeep, and man, it's awesome, except it don't run real good. So it's at the shop, getting a few major things fixed, which is going to be exciting. It's cheap, right? It's affordable. It's still affordable, just not as affordable. And she's in my pickup, so I can't go get my hair fixed like an old lady. Right? I go to the beauty. My grandma went to the beauty parlor every Thursday and got her hair done, and she'd wear a shower cap for the whole week and get her hair done once a week. Sorry, side street about my hair. All's good. Working on a bit. Get here. It's kind of a cool deal. Solid mouthpiece, and had the old Clapper 27, and then my buddy Jim Edwards got one real similar, calls it Texas Shank. So we got all that operating. Got a little card suits on there. Y'all remember the one I did that Adon Banuelos uses, and this is certainly a major scaled down version from that, but my customer liked card suits and wanted that on their old traditional deal, and then we'll see if we can get that to focus in. There it is. Got the Ace of Hearts on the Concho deal there. It's not overly finished, not real. I mean, it's all there. I just have to blue it, brown it, or gray it. We're waiting on him to make that decision and to make all that shine. We get all the silver, get it highlighted and all that, and it'll look really cool. So all good stuff there, and then onward and upward to the next project. And working on TCA next year, and that's pretty exciting. Got a drawing going on that, and got all kinds of things going. Eli.
What doing, everybody?
It's a Wonder Chicken. I ain't called him the Wonder Chicken in forever. He's still doing good though. And Makeup. There's Makeup. Makeup got snake bit a week ago. Makeup got snake bit. Old head swelled up like a cantaloupe, but she good. She tough. She like the rest of us. Take a licking and keep on ticking. But anyhow, yeah, Patreon's good. Got to do a Patreon here in a minute. See what's up with that. Y'all, if you're a maker, you know what? If you're somebody that loves bits and spurs and you're not sure how things are going, we expose it all there. And they're short videos, right? They're nothing long. To get it all, you got to pay $25 a month. But you know, we my buddy Troy Flayhardy says I spill more beer than that, so he's probably right. You know, $25 isn't that much, and considering coming to my shop to watch the process of one of these things, I'm not fast. It would take all day, every day for a while. So you get a glimpse into there what's going on and kind of the fundamentals. No, we're not video and Light Workshop Wednesday here. It's not the most professional thing, and I wish that may be one thing that we work on in the future is get not the how-to videos, but a video on into the build. And I've talked to several, and I'll probably continue to talk about it for a while before it actually happens. But it would be cool. I watched some cool videos on Instagram, them making jewelry, and so I think I talked about this a week or two ago. We're probably not any closer today. I got me a little GoPro, but I'm not sure that's the greatest camera for all of it. So anyhow, it's all good. Just get y'all incorporated into what's going on and how it all happens. You know, I mean, it's kind of fun. It starts out with a flat piece of metal. You go to cutting and shaping, and yeah, we use all kinds of technology and cool things to do it to be as efficient as we possibly can. We pass some savings on down the line and try to build you something that's really cool. And that's my whole game plans. I haven't deviated off of that for 25 years. And you know, who knows what the future holds? We may have all kinds of things, but right now, that's what's going on. So what else we got? Podcast. Me and Carrie got a cool podcast. If y'all listen to podcasts this week, Monday mornings with Carrie and Willie. Find it on Spotify. I say it every week. Y'all go listen to Travis Stilson. Travis is a guy that I don't know very well, but man, I've always admired his work. What an incredible craftsman, an incredible artist. He's multi-talented, do all kinds of different things. So y'all go check out that podcast. And him and Carrie and I, we hit it off on the podcast and how things happen at his house is very similar to what happens at mine and Carrie's. And every craftsman is a little different. We all have things that we like and don't like, and how we go about telling the story. At the end of the day, it's really hard to tell the difference how that starts and how it ends. We all see how it ends in the final product. But anyhow, Travis a good guy, and dang sure talented individual. So y'all go listen to that. What else we got? I don't know. It's Halloween's coming. The goblins are coming out. That's next. Is that next week? Yeah, I think so. Something like that.
Roping Fiesta this weekend?
Oh yeah, you come to San Angelo, come to the big roping fiesta. That's a big deal. That's something that, man, how long has that been going on? For years. And it used to be the place to come watch a big match roping, the calf roping, and they got tripping, and they got team roping now, and the old county king of the county, they call it, something like that, or it's not open ropers and not roping, but everybody gets to play and everybody gets involved, and it's way cool. So that'd be a big time in San Angelo, America, if anybody's close. And I don't know. Last week was really good. The snaffle bit futurity was a lot of fun. I went to a wedding, a very close friend, Thomas Brayman, and that was congratulations to him and his new bride. That was really cool, and got to see some cool people I hadn't seen in a long time. Shout out to my old buddy, little John Phillip. He ain't changed a lick. He still don't care. He's a happy man. It was a lot of fun seeing them. So anyhow, I hope y'all all good. Sorry for rambling on. Can't promise I'll get my hair cut next week, but it's all good. It's halfway combed. See y'all next week. Adios.